Hello friends, so welcome to my YouTube channel and today is my 20-day English speaking challenge. So friends, today I want to share with you like one book summary and this book is very important. So book name is like Psychology of the Discipline and How to Become Unbreakable. So this book teaches that the how to control our mind because it's a very important not matter what challenge comes to you and you stay focused and strong. It's the important things and inside of thinking about anything and you stay focused and calm down. It's a ability, no, it's not just a hard working. It is if you control your mind, then you become, it makes you unbreakable. So like in this chapter, what is the discipline? Discipline is the ability to control yourself even when you don't feel like it, like you do these things, the right things consistently, not about matter what you like and what you not like waking up early morning, it's a discipline and like inside up laziness. So like many people fail in our life because they not follow the discipline. They only do work and they give up our work because they doing the principle of emotions, not the principle of discipline. So why discipline is very important? Because when you do work for the discipline, then you are doing all work for the motivation and the positivity. Like they always wait for the motivation. It is a temporary, but they not wait for inside of they not wait for the they build the discipline. It's a permanently. So it's important things. You not wait for the like discipline is a permanent, so you build your discipline because it's a important things like you not and how to build the discipline and how to become a disciplined person. Like start small, you take a small step and it's create a big result. You don't to try, like you don't to try finish all things in one day. Try to take a small steps when you create some new results. And you always create like you do exercise daily and 10 minutes, not like 1 hour. You start a small steps, it's an important things. When you do like daily routine, then it's also discipline with consistently do work and you achieve your all dreams in your life. It's very important things because when you not do work with discipline and consistently, you don't achieve anything in your life. You always give up in your life and procrastinates for your work, regret, always feel unhappy. When you do work with discipline and consistently, then you achieve all things in your life. So it book is very important for everybody is learning and understanding purpose. And you do work with discipline, like you use like 5 tasks daily and you do daily 5 tasks, not matter like 5 minutes you do it for one task 5 minutes, one task 5 minutes, but do it daily because consistently with discipline it's an important key of success. So friends, it's my today's content. I will upload next video tomorrow. So okay friend, bye bye and take care. Thank you so much.